lots of us like working with pallets because you can typically find them pretty cheap or free. I try to always find them free. And really a lot of them, if you get the right treated ones, they're well done. If you get ones that are just heat treated, they don't have any harsh chemicals in them, and so you can use them for all sorts of products and you don't have to worry about them. You can look, there's lots of videos out there on and documents on how to know whether pallet's just been heat treated, so you can go check that out. But right now, I'm going to show you, there's some cars in traffic. I'm going to take some time and I'll show you what I think is the best way to get the most usable wood out of a pallet if you get one. So I'll show you what I think is the best way to disassemble them. And while I'm at it, I'm also going to show you my new Sawzall. Haven't used it yet, so stay tuned. I'll give you my take on it. Hopefully it's a pretty good Sawzall. It was a good deal, good price. Paid for it, not sponsored. Paid for it with my own money. But I'll give you my take on that Sawzall, and we'll see. The first thing you want to do is get your pallet set up on your bench or work surface. Then with a metal cutting blade installed in your Sawzall, you want to run the blade between the face pieces of the pallet and the support 2x4s. You're going to do this on all four sides, starting on the top surface of the pallet, and then once you've done both sides of that, you're going to flip it over and do the bottom sides. So, early opinion is this Sawzall, this one was to the higher amp. I believe this is a 12 amp, yeah. This is a 12 amp Sawzall. A lot more beastly than the 10 amp Makita that I used to have. That one ended up actually breaking. It was old. I bought it at a garage sale. But way more powerful. This thing, it's for being a 12 amp, it's actually, the ones I looked at Home Depot, it was the lightest one, so it's still pretty light, easy to use. Definitely more comfortable, more ergonomic. I like it a lot. It's a good buy. I believe I spent like $69.95 or $99, whatever, about $70 on it, so it's really hard to beat that price point. But yeah, I'll keep using it and I'll let you know, but let's continue on. So, once you've gotten the two side strut support beams done, then it's just about removing the center ones. Lots of different ways to do this. Sometimes I try to take the saws off. I think I can get into there good. I'll cut out as much as I can nail-wise on these. For the first method, you can use a hammer and a wooden block to hammer out the boards. So this method does work, although it is not my preferred method. My preferred method is using the Sawzall and continuing along the board and just cutting out the nails like you were doing with the side edges. So once you've removed all the boards from the pallets, you're going to have the nails that you've cut off that you can kind of see embedded. You're going to have, if you hammered out like I did in the center any, you're going to have some full nails. So let's take care of that first. Now for the cut-in nails, you could leave them in if you really wanted to go the full rustic look and leave the nail heads showing. Go if you're doing a project like that. I am actually going to be sawing through this board and planing it, and so I don't want any metal in it. So for that, use a nail punch. Get a nice solid one like this. I just picked this up at Home Depot or Lowe's, I don't remember which. And you want to position it right on the nail head, and then punch it like that. Pops out on the other side, and you can just pop it out. You're going to do that for every place where there's a nail. there. We'll probably lose some wood on the ends, but as of right now, until we start cutting and everything, haven't lost any wood on the whole board. And that's why I think this is the best method for taking apart pallets. Because I'm pretty certain this is going to be a pretty nice piece of oak. So, let's keep going. Well, there you go. 1 pallet's worth of wood. A lot of boards. Gotta say, I think it's going to come pretty good and handy. I didn't really measure them, but I mock held up a couple of the pieces, and they all are about the same length, and they look like they're just about the perfect length for the drawer fronts of my dresser I've been working on. So, after we plane them, we'll be able to look at the finished look of what the wood's going to look like, and we'll know what everything